Hey everyone, I'm Jason Etheridge from TotallyBlogger.com. Now this is my very first YouTube video, so I apologise if it's a little bit ropey, a little bit jagged around the edges, but hey, we'll give it a go. Now this first YouTube video is going to be a guide of how you can theme Windows XP, and we're going to use two official themes that Microsoft have released. So we're not going to use any modding of your theming files, if that makes sense, and we're not going to be using any third-party software like Windows blinds. So let's get started. As you can see at the moment, my Windows desktop is the very basic default view which you get when you first install Windows XP. Now this may have looked nice and fresh yonks ago, but in today's world it looks, well, a little bit old and tired. So let's see what we can do to give it a fresh lick of paint. So first of all, I need you to open your web browser. I'm using Chrome here, and surf along to www.totallyblogger.com. That's my technology blog. And I need you to do a search for theme up here. So let's type it in again. If I could spell, that would be a lot better. How we use two hands. There we go. Let's click search. Perfect. Let's scroll down the results, and here we go. A story I wrote on the 14th of March called "Give XP a Cool New Look." So let's click on there. Now basically, on this article I've written, there's two links for two official themes Microsoft have actually released. Now I'm only going to demonstrate one here, but the same principle applies for both of them when you're installing them, okay? So let's download, first of all, the Zune theme. As you know what the Microsoft Zune is, Microsoft's MP3 player which tried to compete against the Apple's iPod and iPhone, etc., but it's not that great. But let's download the theme anyway, because the theme's fantastic. We'll download that, and yeah, let's say cool to that. So that's downloaded. I'm going to shut my web browser now and go along to my downloads, and here we go, Zune desktop theme. That's the file. Let's double click on that. Now I've already got this installed, so I'm not actually going to install it, but if you double click on it, it will load up an official installer and install the theme for you, okay? Then, once after it's finished, you just need to head along to Control Panel and then Display. Shut that down. Click on Appearance, and here, where it says Windows and Buttons, click on the drop down, and you should have a new theme called Zune Style. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that and apply. Now you can see instantly, the whole of Windows is in a weird new black look, which looks a lot more refreshing and modern than the previous theme. All we need to do is add a bit of a better background. I am going to use, if I can find it, the theme it came with, one of Apple's backgrounds, because I think it looks quite sexy. I want my Drive C wallpaper. Just do a Google for this if you want it. Bam. And there we go. We give an XP a fresh new look. It looks a lot more modern, not so old and haggard. Might keep you going through a few more months until Windows 7 comes along. So my name's Jason Etheridge. I appreciate if you visit my blog at totallyblogger.com, and I'll see you soon. Thank you.